apa yang jam tangan gitu.
Lucu banget.
Mas bro, I don't know. We're looking for the computer, the gamer computer.
Oh, these are the same thing. Should I get this one or this one, Ayah?
I don't know. Kakak Irsal give the message. I show you. Hey, let's go. Bunda mau masak.
Okay.
Mau yang mana?
The Dell one. Or something.
Dell Black.
This one they have with Aurel over here. I don't have mouse. I have red at home.
That's microphone.
Yang mana itu mahal?
Berapa itu?
$50.
Mau ngapain $50? $2 aja, $2.
Ini $12 bagus nih. Logitech.
She's broke it my pocket. Look at this.
Nih, ini iPhone X bagus juga.
Don't get the iPhone X.
Nih, 8.
Kalau udah beli yang dimauin aja udah joget-joget. Silly orang.
Oh, siapa gitu?
Mas bro, this is Irsal, my nephew. We're gonna be unboxing the computer Dell. It's the serial number. Oh, that's okay. With Aurel as the looker.
It's upside down.
Kenapa itu?
Because it's the number.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
Oh, you have one.
That's okay. I usually will look a lot better from standing up.
Oh yeah. The power is down there, by your leg. This is our room. See the flower, the music everywhere, and don't forget cat. Just take a few minutes to charge. That's what it shall say. Just expect the computer sign, and this is what they call Aurel sign. We have the printer. It's already long time we didn't use it because of we don't know how to use it. I want to see this one. Look at that. Oh, animal. It's our collection. You got it?
That's good.
Oh, see?
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
I need to go up there for the
I got it. I'm doing
change it the awareness. There's your shot down there. You got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're connecting to it right now.
With the PC. Berantakan.
Now we're connecting to it. Okay, it's connected.
It's good? Okay, thank you.
If Aurel like downloads something from online, then maybe she might get a virus. But like the antivirus that's already on the computer is good enough.
Want to stick with that?
Oh, jadi dikembaliin aja lumayan.
Guy is in Yukon right now.
Almost done
Cool.
now. We just need to get
Oh,
a few
yeah.
And this one is gonna be in the Yale.
Yeah, 1 second.
all yours. Looking forward to help.
You forgot? Yeah, she has an HP.
Yeah, but that's
See? So yeah, pipe computer at the house.
not to take care of all of them.
5 people, 5 computer.
No, I have 2 computers. Maya doesn't have a computer.
2 computer. And your ayah have the garden.
Yeah, he has a garden. That's it. So we just like kept it regular.
Oh, that's it?
You can change the name of the printer if you want to.
This is the printer our so I'll make it. Look at nice doggy. And this is
Yeah, that's Roblox Studio.
Finally, I can build something.
and here we go.
Please like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family. And then comment down below what you want to see us do next. And leave a like on this video so we can do more of these fun things. Thank you.